Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 63rd video in this series. It means that we have already covered 62 highly repetitive and real exam questions, right? So that you guys can see how to solve them. We have discussed the hacks, the tips and the strategies also to solve them, okay? So let's get started with today's video. But before that, first things first, that PTE is now accepted in the UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can do it through PTE. And now 90% of universities in Canada accept PTE academic. My name is Bharat, and those who are watching this video for the first time, I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this video series we discuss the tips, tricks and strategies so that you can crack your reading, and we keep telling you strategies and tips for other sections also. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. It has an integrated timer, so you need to manage the time yourself, and it is not scored out of 90. It is scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types. The second last question in this series is reading filling the blanks. And now it's quite important. Why? Because it carries 15 marks. So if there are 5 reading filling the blanks, right, so they will be of 3 marks each. Okay, so that's why that is very important. Rest you can see how the 90 total comes for reading, but the reading module just contributes 47 marks. And what is the strategy now? Now you cannot spend more than 2 or 2.5 minutes in solving one reading filling the blank, because this is the time, the maximum which you can spend as per our big data and artificial intelligence analysis. Now in that much time, can you read all the words? Can you understand their meaning? Chances are quite less. What you can do, you have to do the skimming. You have to understand the gist, overall idea, and then you have to solve them. And we teach this technique to our students both offline as well as online. And this is reading blank. Now you have 30 seconds. You have to go through this and then we will start discussing. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we do the skimming. We do the skimming to understand its tone, right? And to understand the gist, overall idea, and the tenses. Gist is overall idea. The tone, we get to know if it's positive, negative, neutral, or academic tone. For tenses, we get an idea if it's using present tense, past tense, or future tense. Okay, so let me get started with the skimming. The wind is moving around. Some winds can move dash fast as a racing car over 100 miles per dash. Winds can travel around the world. Winds can make you feel cold because you lose heat from your body dash when it is windy. Weather forecasters need dash know the speed and direction of the wind. The strength of wind is measured dash the Beaufort scale from wind force when there is no wind to wind force 12, which can damage houses and buildings and is called hurricane force. Okay, so we have done the skimming. Now it's the time to do the parts of speech classification. You got an idea, you would have got an idea that it's about wind, the scales, right? So now we have to do the parts of speech classification of the options, because it's very important, because we try to solve then it on that basis. Right, for the parts of speech, as it can be your conjunction also, right? For is your conjunction, right? Again, it's a conjunction. R is your noun, which tells you about time. Then you can say it as conjunction. And again, this is your pronoun. Faster is your comparative, right? or you can say adjective in terms of parts of speech. In is your and to is your preposition. Using can be your verb as well as noun. Okay, now we have done parts of speech classification. Now let's see the first blank. Some winds can move dash fast as अब as fast as होता है, right? जब आप कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो, जो फ्रेज होता है as fast, as important as, right? So यहाँ पे आंसर क्या होने वाला है आपका as. I hope this is clear. Next one, it's quite clear that it's going to be per dash, right? Now over 100 miles per के साथ क्या यूज होगा? per के साथ यूज होगा आपका r, because ये आपका टाइम बता रहा है per hour, right? जो स्पीड है कैसे मेजर होती है? This is your speed. कार की स्पीड, wind की स्पीड, it's measured as per hour. Okay, so we are going to select r. Moving on to the next one. Because you lose heat from your body dash when it is windy, right? Wind can make you feel cold because आप ज़्यादा heat lose करते हो जब हवा चल रही होती है. And ज़्यादा का synonym क्या है हमारे पास? It's given as faster. Okay, you lose heat from your body faster when it is windy. Next blank. Weather forecasters need something dash know the speed. Need to know, right? No use हो रहा है, verb की first form use हो रही है. And if you know the grammar rules, we know that to के साथ verb की generally first form use होती है या ing use होता है. So यहाँ पे to fit properly हो सकता है. Need to know the speed. Okay, I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next blank. The strength of wind is measured dash the Beaufort scale. Measured होती है किस पे? Using हो सकता था या on हो सकता है. Measured using उसको use करके Beaufort scale पे use करके उसको use करके आप speed measure कर सकते हो. Now let's see if all the answers are correct or not. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, like जैसे आज हमने to वाली देखी, grammar based rule था, so we can easily solve our blanks. And what is our strategy for solving reading filling the blanks? Our strategy is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we see for skimming, forward reading, backward reading, and tone analysis. And for lexical resource, it's going to be collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocabulary. For grammar, we have a complete grammar course where we teach our students parts of speech, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules, and sentences. You have seen to wala rule, it's a preposition. Parts of speech classification is very important. You have seen that too. But remember, you have 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve your reading blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, आपको content को skim करना है. You have to do the parts of speech classification. In next 90 to 120 seconds, you can do process of elimination and use our grammar strategies and hacks to solve your reading blank. All the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if these students can achieve, you can also achieve. These are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81 marks. If these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubts, you can WhatsApp us. If you want to take coaching, online coaching, or in-institute coaching, more than welcome. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wing to your dreams.